Welcome back, guys. We're back with another lesson of number pattern. Today we are treating only questions. Today we are treating only questions based on number patterns of grade 12. You can stretch. Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Starting with correction now. Write down term number 4. What is the value of term number 4? Minus 145, minus 22, minus 101. First difference? Do that. First difference? 25. Apa?
23.
25 euro. 23 eh? The one. Apa nomor minus ni? I'm going to find the third term which will be 19, right? And you say 101 plus what? 19 which will be what?
Negative 82.
Negative 82. There you go. And that your T4 equals to negative 82. Negative 82. Question 2. Question 3.2. Show that the general term of this number pattern is Tn equals to minus n squared plus 26n minus 170. Minus 170. The general formula of quadratic pattern is Tn an squared plus bn plus c, right? You know, in your second difference, you will use 2a equals to the common difference, which is for the quadratic number pattern. For the first difference, you will use 3a plus b, which will be equal to the first term in the first difference. For you to determine c, you need to have a plus b plus c equals to the first term in the sequence. So let's start by calculating the value of a, which will be 2a equals to negative 2 divided by 2, cancel, a equals to minus 1. Now we have determined the value of a. Let's determine the value of b. We were going where? Upwards. Let's determine the value of b to be 3a plus b equals to 23. 3, we have already calculated the value of a, which is minus 1 plus b equals to 23. This is same as b equals to 23 plus what? 3. 3 times minus 1 will be minus 3. When 3 crosses the bridge, it will be positive. Then your b equals to what? 26. Let's determine now c. A plus b plus c, it will be equals to negative 145. We have our a already, which is minus 1. We have our b already, which is 26 plus c, which equals to minus 145. Minus 1 plus 26 is 25, right? Plus c equals to minus 145. C equals to minus 145. I'll check the positive 25 to the other side will be minus 25. C equals to what? Negative 170. Negative 170. Negative 170. Now, you have determined your value of A, you have determined the value of B, you have determined the value of C. You just have to substitute them in your original general formula, whereby your Tn equals to minus n squared, which is the value of A, the value of B is 26 plus 26, and the value of C is minus 170. We have done. You're done with 3.2. 3.3. Between which two terms of the quadratic number pattern will there be a difference of minus 121? Minus. I'm going to write again the sequence. Okay, 23, 21, minus 2. I'm answering 3.3. They say between which two terms of the quadratic number pattern will there be a difference of negative 121? Of negative 121. Guys, you remember yesterday I told you that your first difference forms what? Forms which type of number pattern? You want to hold one now? If maybe arithmetic. It forms an arithmetic number pattern, right? Whereby the general formula of your arithmetic number pattern is Tn a plus n minus 1d. You can just come here and copy that number pattern. 21, 23, 21 minus 2. There it is. There it is. You need to find two terms of the quadratic number pattern where there will be a difference of negative 121 in your first what? Difference, right? What is your value of a there? 23. What is your, okay? What is your difference? Common difference? Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2. They have provided us with the value of negative 121, right? We are going to equate it here in the Tn, right? And solve and find the origin. What number term is negative 121 in this arithmetic sequence, or here in the first difference? So we are going to equate negative 121 to determine what number term it is here in the first difference. We're going to say 23 n minus 1 minus 2. I have to do my mathematical gymnastics now. 121, I'll take the 23, that size and change the sign. We'll go left with minus n minus 1 close brackets multiplied by minus 2. Minus 121 minus 23 is what? Negative 130? 144. Negative 144 equals to n minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. Here I'm going to divide by minus 2 both sides, right? What I do on the left, I also do on the what? On the right. Minus 121, minus 141 of minus 2. Negative 144, sorry. Is 37 is what here? Minus 144 divided by minus 2 is what? 72. Yeah. N minus 1 equals to 72. I'll take the n, the other side, will change the sign. 72 plus 1. N equals to 73. Okay. Will be between term number 73 and what? 74. And 74. Let's prove that. Take out your calculators. Take out your calculators. Take out your calculator. Okay, let's go to 3.4. Let's go to 3.4. What value must be added to each term in the number pattern so that the value of the maximum term in the new number pattern form will be 1? Guys, what do you understand about the maximum and the minimum in the quadratic forms? Turning points, right? Remember, your n there, the general formula of number pattern is minus n squared plus 26 and minus what? 170, right? It's negative v, right? It's negative v, eh? I always say this. When it's negative, it's what? It's sad. So, your graph, it will be like this, you see? This point is called the maximum what? Maximum point. You see? You'll see these things when we are, you'll see these things when we go to functions. This is where you will see these things. This is called the maximum what? Point. How do you find the maximum point? There's a formula. Which says what? X equals to negative b over 2a, right? Okay, here let's write it in terms of n, it will be negative b over 2a. Let's find the maximum value here. Let's find the maximum value there. It will be minus, what is b there? It's 26, right? What is a? Minus 1. What is it? 30. These are the questions that will sharpen your brain. They will sharpen your brain. They will sharpen your brain. We are not done, right? Let's remember, we have find n, right? Which is 13, right? Let's find our value here of Tn. When n equals to 13, let's find our value of Tn. What will be our value of Tn? So we're going to say T13 equals to minus into 13 squared plus 26 into 13 minus 170. What is the value? Give me the value. The answer will be what? Minus 1. You are not done, right? You are not done. Remember, the question says that what value must be added to each term in the number pattern so that the value of the maximum term in the new pattern will be formed will be 1. What value can we add into minus 1 so that it can be 1? Okay, you want to see? Very simple thing, no? Very simple thing. Okay. What value must be added to negative 1 so that negative 1 must be 1? Thank you. You see the basics maths. We must plus by what? By 2. We are going to add by what? By 2. This will be what? 1. Done.